Hi guys, this is a cool little OBD display. You can connect this to the OBD port and you can change the user interface of this display like this. So it will represent battery details, G-force details, RPM, engine coolant temperature, CVT temperature, and rest of the details. And it is really well synced with the original metered responses. And yeah, it's a cool little handy gadget, and you can connect this to the OBD port and get the wiring in here. This is a Mitsubishi Pajero, but this is this can be connected to any kind of a vehicle which is having the OBD2 interface. Check the link below and buy from CarsDiaries.